Welcome to Options Center. It is Monday. The trade week is back in effect. It's 4/19/21. Welcome. We're going to run through the game plan today. We're going to check out the full market after the ES, VIX, gold, the bonds, all that boring stuff. And then we're going to go to BTC and our trade idea, Tesla. So stick around if you're interested in that information. Before we go through it, go down to that bottom right-hand corner, hit the subscribe button. It is the Options Tender logo. Also, hit the notification so you can get these videos every morning, every evening, and on the weekend for an update. Okay, so let's jump into this info. We have ES on the monthly chart. We have a huge Mariposa candle, beautiful. The MACD is headed to the upside. The RSI is just now getting overheated. We are in the 73 area, so we are looking for eventually some downside. But we will go over to the weekly channel. So we're, basically on the monthly, we're bullish. Okay, on the weekly, same thing. We are bullish. We are working on Elliott wave 5. We are up there in the MACD to the upside. We're just now getting heated for the first time in the 70 area on the RSI. We're over all the MAs. So, I mean, we're bullish. We haven't been proven otherwise. So we're just starting off the week. So we'll see what kind of candle we get this week. Going down to the daily trend is our friend. We are working on wave 3. We have 1, 2, 3, long 3, man. And I think this might be ending pretty soon. We do have a pause candle right at the channel top. Let's see, we're starting off as an inside day. Let's see if we can get an inside day down. Maybe test the 8 MA. We haven't crossed on the MACD. We are overheated on the daily as well. We are overheated on everything. All right, on the 65, getting down to the nitty-gritty. We are in a wedge. We are wedged way up to the channel top. This might be the end of wave 3 here, like I said, on the daily. So we're just now peaking under the trend line. You see that? We're looking for some sort of ABC correction to be a wave 4, and then more upside to finish our 5-way series. Okay, so you see our divergence again, headed to the downside. We'll see what kind of, this might move quick. I don't know. We do have our expected move here at the 4120. That's a nice target for this week. Maybe this is a weekly move. We'll have to see price, watch price. If we move pretty quick, we can get this done. ABC, it might be a sideways triangle. It might be a zigzag. Let's check it out. Okay, so we are short SPY and we are short QQQ. Let's move over to the QQQ. All right, so we have the QQQ also breaching its trend line. Let's see if we can get a close there. This is the point of control, 13,972. So if we break that area, we're looking for this to be the top of wave 3 as well. And we can put a retracement from the bottom of wave 2 or the bottom of wave 3, however you want to say it, to the top of wave 3. And we're looking for at least 38.2 retracement. If we do breach that looks like we're going to come underneath the channel, and then we have something else going on. Okay. Now, we're going to check out bonds before we go over to the RTY. Bonds, we're really interested to see what's happening with these because I think we're in a bear. It looks like a bear flag, and we have, this might be a wave 4 and one more wave 5 down to really get the bonds, and that's going to affect the tech sector. It's going to affect the QQQs, and really bring them down. They've been correlated, so if we start to see a drift to the downside for the bonds, then we're going to see rates heading up and QQQ headed down with it. So let's go over RTY. And RTY is already dumping. Let's see what happens with this symmetrical. I was thinking if rates started to move up, this might be a super bullish thing for RTY, but RTY is headed to the downside too. I don't know if it's because of the bank earnings weren't all that great, but maybe the whole market needs a rest. So we'll see if it breaks this trend here and starts to create some sort of move to the downside. This could be an A, B, and another leg down for a C correction. Okay, and then we'll have to redo the Elliott wave count. All right, let's move over to the VIX. The VIX, our volatility, looks like it's starting to perk up. We have a wedge here. If it breaches here and sticks over this point, I think we might have a pretty good move in the VIX. So if you're in long calls or anything, if you're long the market, you may want to maybe put on some VXX Q, or some puts on the Qs or ES, something like that. Maybe something to hedge your positions. Just be a little cautious here. I say a lot cautious. And we are long gold. So we're right here at that 1788 mark. We may have to rest here. So I'm going to see it's starting to react now. I might get out of that position and wait for just the end of wave 3. So wave 4 pullback before we move up higher. We do have some divergence happening here. So we're just in the very near term, cautious on gold, but big time in the big picture, we're really bullish. BTC. Sorry this is so long. I know we just had a weekend update, but we have, these things are important right now. So we have the end of wave 5 here, and I think we need a huge wave 4 correction. So I do, there's 2 ways you can look at this. I can actually adjust this a little bit, because we do have actually a point there as well. So we might be just at the trend line. If we breach this this wedge here, which I think we will, I think we're looking for quite the move to the downside before heading back up in BTC, but I would not buy here. There's another way we could look at it. Let me put on this other board. So that's a rising wedge that we could break, but we had an ascending triangle, which we did break that point, but now we broke down from there, which is very bearish. Okay. And last but not least, because of this, we're actually going to short Tesla. We're looking for a Tesla short. Tesla is gapping down here. We have, let me look at a bigger picture scenario. Let's go to the daily. So our bearish count here would be a larger, this into wave 5. So this would be an A, a large wave A, B, and C for a wave 4 correction. Okay, so that our minute waves would be a 5 wave count down to A, then an ABC correction. And now we're looking for another 5 wave countdown. It doesn't have to be in this channel here. That's just an idea. This one's our measured move. So if we had 100% correction move here, we just took this line, drew it from the top to the bottom, and a symmetrical move would take us down to that gap. Okay, and that's it today, you guys. We're gonna look for Tesla short. Good luck trading today. Thanks for joining us here at Options Center. Have a wonderful trading day. Good luck.